Chez Satoshi for the love of crypto and coffee. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to navigate through MetaMask after you have installed and secure your seed. I'm going to show you the block explorer of Ethereum, how to buy, to send, to swap. I'm going to show you the different RPC that you can configure into MetaMask and many things, how to add a new token and stuff like that. So stay tuned. But just before moving on, I want you to take a couple of actions for this wonderful channel, Crypto and Coffee. The most obvious actions, the first one is subscribe. Smash the like button if you enjoy this kind of content. Leave a nice comment below if you want to share your wisdom, insight, or you want me to talk about a specific project. Go for it, leave a nice comment below. Press the bell notification, ding, 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 to get notified every single day from Monday through Sunday, every day at 9 a.m. time with great content of value every day into your YouTube dashboard. And the most important thing, spread love about this great channel at your workplace and the street at school for great content of value every day. And a name to remember and put you and your core memory, Chez Satoshi, associated with crypto and coffee naturally. So let's go back to MetaMask. So when you have done to install your MetaMask, you have a screen like this. You see the MetaMask, the Fox. You see the Ethereum wallet or Ethereum mainnet where you are logging into it, and many things. You see the account, so you can click on clipboard and just copy into an Ethereum Explorer. You can buy, send, swap, and you see all your activity. But basically, let's go see the basic. So when you have your MetaMask wallet, as you can see on the screen, how to know your public key where people can send, or you want to monitor which type of asset you have under your MetaMask. So you click copy and you can pass it onto Etherscan point out, but they have a lot of block explorer out there. So basically you just pass your public key and then click enter. As you can see, I have nothing on this wallet. I don't have any NFTs as well or ERC20 token, because Ethereum handle many type of token like ERC20. It's a token you can create a small contract, and then you have a lot of different parameters. What's the number of token and stuff like that. You have NFTs, or they can handle with the normal thing 721, and I think the other ones is 1155 that you can have the same NFT but multiple copy. But the standard is normally 721, but now with all the big trend right now, 1155 people create, and I just create one token but many multiple copy. But so as you can see, that's the way you can just copy your publicly copy, then pass it on a publicly on Etherscan. So basically, MetaMask help you to keep your private key and public key, your private key safely on your browser encrypted, I believe, and securely. So, but just always be careful not to share your seed, and this is really important. As you can see, I have 0 Ethereum balance, may be updated, but to receive, if I want to have some Ether on my wallet, because when you want to transact over Ethereum, you need to pay the gas fee. This is the way to secure and decentralize the network. So you can, if I click buy on MetaMask, you have two options. You can buy Ether with wire, continue with wire, or directly deposit Ether, view account. Or you can just go to any trading exchange out there, buy Ether, and send to your public key on this address here. In that case will be, if I want to send some money over this new wallet, I just created a dummy wallet just to show you the interface of and the option of MetaMask. I will go to, for example, Binance or Bittrex or Polygon. So they have so many on the market right now. So I will create an account, buy Ether with different options you have, probably with a credit card or whatever, wire transfer over the platform or trading exchange. You buy Ether and you send to your public key And then you will have your Ether under your wallet. Then you can interact with any the app on the network that is reside on over the Ethereum network. You can send as well. When you send, you need to have the public key of the recipient, or you want to send your Ether. So you just pass the public key, or you can scan with your QR code like this. Beep. You can have some another wallet into your smartphone and then scan the QR code. If I click on it, it say use the camera, but I will say black for now. So you just scan and then you send, you have the public key of your smartphone wallet, or any recipient you have already. From basically, if you want to send back some money to a trading exchange, the trading exchange you're going to deposit, and then you just copy the public key, you send the money to the trading exchange, or you want to transfer to the app out there, you want to swap the token for whatever the reason. This is pretty straightforward. Let's go back to, if you want to swap is basically the actions to swap some Ether for another token. A token is normally it's a ERC smart contract where you have an assets for a project. You can swap back and forth. I'm going to click on it. So you can swap, for example, swap for I don't know, Ether for Uniswap. So you have advanced slippage, just to make sure that you don't lose too much money on the slippage transactions. Then the system is going to propose you the price, and then you accept, and then it's going to swap back and forth. You're going to have some Ether and Uniswap into your wallet. Pretty straightforward. We're just going to cancel. We'll come back to the previous section. As you can see, when you have, for example, in the previous section, I say you swap Ether for Uniswap. When you do that, normally you will have, normally you should appear automatically, but you can add under you. For example, I want you to add Uniswap. I just click Uniswap, and then click next. Then I have just add the token. So we come back. As you can see, if I swap token, you need to have the token into MetaMask to be able to monitor it, to see it live into your wallet. So because the public key of Ethereum, any public key or can handle ERC20 token. So when you go there, normally, if you have Uni token ERC20, you will see it under the public key of this corresponding Ethereum address. Pretty straightforward, and you can do the same if you want to send the same thing. You can just send to another Ethereum address a public key. Then you can send token from one public address, Ethereum address, to another public Ethereum address. It's pretty straightforward, obvious. So this is very powerful when you think a public address can handle a lot of token. You can have a one address and 10 or 15 ERC20. You can have NFT with the norm ERC721 and 1155. It's pretty easy to understand. So this is a wallet. The functionality is to all keep and transact over a lot of the app out there, and this is the power of the Ethereum blockchain, my friend. And what is really cool is fully decentralized. And I want to finish. I want to see the other section out there, so you can add more wallet if you want. You can create a wallet, import a wallet, or connect another wallet as well. So you can have multiple wallet into the same MetaMask account, and this is really cool. That feature, I'm not going to cover these features on this video, probably a later on, but you can connect your hardware wallet and monitor your asset from your hardware wallet directly into your MetaMask. But all the time you need to approve the transactions onto your hardware wallet. So this is really fun. But another great functionality, if you want to, I don't know, you want to embrace the revolution of the second layers, like it's called Polygon, or commonly called Matic. You need to add RPC. If you want to add the Binance Smart Chain, you just go here and you can do custom RPC, or you can just swap back and forth. For example, You can just put Binance Smart Chain here with the parameter of the Binance Smart Chain. This information is pretty easy to find on Google, but right now that's not the purpose of this video. But you can add Binance Smart Chain and Polygon with the RPC, and you need to switch back and forth. So when you have Binance Smart Chain, for example, or Polygon, you will see it on your list. You need to swap because they don't talk to the same path, to the same blockchain. They use the same MetaMask wallet that handle Ethereum, but this is another blockchain, so you need to switch back and forth. So for example, if you want to test the Robsday test network, you just need to switch, and for the same thing for Binance Smart Chain. So this is very, if you are serious about to participate or take part of the crypto spheres, you need to have MetaMask integrated, because you will need to test some yield farming on Ethereum network, on Binance Smart Chain, or Polygon. You will need to play games, so you need to have MetaMask to be able to play, to interact with those precious decentralized applications. This is the power of crypto. So you have the layers of the wallets that can handle, send, and you keep all your ERC20 token and NFT 721 with the number 721 and 1155 on their MetaMask. And as well with MetaMask, you have the power to connect to other decentralized to blockchain network, like Binance Smart Chain and Polygon. So in the meantime, if you really enjoyed this tutorial about how to navigate with the option on MetaMask, I want you to subscribe to this wonderful channel, Crypto and Coffee, right now. I want to take some coffee just before to close this beautiful tutorial. I want you to smash like button if you enjoy this kind of content. Leave a nice comment below if you have any question, insight, or you want me to talk about specific project or gem. Just go for it. Leave a nice comment below. I will answer the best as I can. Press the bell notification, bing, 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 to get notified every single day from Monday through Sunday, 9 a.m. Eastern time. Tell me if you like this kind of tutorial, if you want me to have more on this channel. As well, I want you to spread the love about this great channel at your workplace, industry, at school, for great content every single day, my friend, made by love and for the love of crypto and coffee. You can subscribe to this, and then you can visit my outstanding website, satoshi.com. You can subscribe to my newsletters and podcast. Have a great day. See you tomorrow for another great video from Chez Satoshi. Keep smiling and have a great day ahead, my friend. Ciao, ciao.